Hello friends, we will discuss here a comprehensive guide to health insurance in the USA. Health insurance in the United States plays a critical role in providing financial security and access to quality health care for millions of Americans. With a complex system comparing public and private insurance options, it is essential for individuals and families to understand the various plans available, their benefits, and how to choose the best coverage for their needs. In this article, we will explore the basic of health insurance in the USA, its significance, and the different types of plan offered. First point is significance of health insurance. Health insurance is an essential component of American health care system, ensuring that individual can access medical services without incurring exorbitant out-of-pocket expenses. The cost of health care in the USA can be overwhelming, and a single medical emergency could lead to significant financial hardship for those without insurance coverage. Health insurance not only mitigates these risks but also promotes preventing care, reducing the burden of chronic conditions, and promoting overall well-being. Now we will discuss here types of health insurance plans. First is one employer-sponsored health insurance. Many Americans receive health coverage through their employers. Employer-sponsored plans typically offer a range of options including health maintenance organization, preferred provider organization, and high deductible health plans. These plans often provide coverage for employees and their dependents. Second point is individual and family plans. Individuals and families who do not have access to employer-sponsored coverage can purchase individual or family plans from private insurance or through the health insurance marketplace established under the Affordable Care Act ACA. These plans come in various levels of coverage such as bronze, silver, gold, and platinum with corresponding premiums and cost sharing. Third point is Medicare. Medicare is a federal health insurance program primarily catering to seniors aged 65 and older as well as certain younger individuals with disabilities. It consists of four parts: Part 1 Hospital Insurance, Part B Medical Insurance, Part C Medicare Advantage Plans, and Part D Prescription Drugs Coverage. Now we will discuss here how to choose right health insurance plan. Selecting the most suitable health insurance plan requires carefully consideration of individual and family needs, including first point is coverage and benefits. Evaluate the extent of coverage offered, including doctor visits, hospitalization, prescription drugs, maternity care, mental health services, and preventive care. Second point is cost and affordability. Compare premiums, deductible, co-payments, and coin insurance to understand the overall cost of plan. Balancing monthly premiums with out-of-pocket expenses is crucial in determining affordability. Third point is network of providers. Check whether your preferred health care providers, hospitals, and specialists are part of plans network. In network providers typically offer more favorable rates, while out of network care many result in higher costs. Fourth point is here prescription drug coverage. If you regularly take prescriptions medications, ensure the plan's formulary includes the drugs you need at reasonable price. Fifth point is here financial assistance. Those with limited income may be eligible for subsidies for financial assistance through programs like ACA or Medicaid, helping to make health insurance more affordable.